It's now time for Section 1. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point, and earlier we had the toss, and St. Richard's Primary won and decided to send Greater Portmore Primary going first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so with that time on the clock, we begin with Bible knowledge. Absalom was the third son of which king of Israel?
David.
Correct. St. Richard's Bible knowledge. Which king of Israel was the husband of Jezebel?
Ahab.
Correct. Greater Portmore International Affairs is a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify which Caribbean country's map is displayed.
Cuba.
Correct. St. Richard's International Affairs, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify which Caribbean country's map is displayed.
Puerto Rico.
Correct. Greater Portmore science. What part of a plant protects the rising buds?
Petals.
Incorrect. Sepals. St. Richard's science. What is the collective name for all the sepals of a flower?
Calyx.
Correct. Television, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Charlie.
Incomplete. Charlie B. All dogs go to heaven. Television, a visual question. St. Richard's. Look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Rebels.
Incorrect. Carface, also from All Dogs Go to Heaven. Greater Portmore English language. Spell regime.
REGEIM.
Incorrect. REGIME. St. Richard's English language. Spell prestige.
PRESTIGE.
Correct. Greater Portmore music, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this Jamaican reggae icon.
Kimani Marley.
Incorrect. Peter Tosh. St. Richard's music, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this Jamaican reggae icon.
Damian Marley.
Incorrect. Garnet Silk. Greater Portmore general knowledge. In which African country is the capital city of Kinshasa?
Ghana.
Incorrect. The Congo. General knowledge. St. Richard's. In which African country is the capital city of Yaoundé?
Cameroon.
Correct. Greater Portmore social studies. In which Jamaican parish is the Coronation Market located?
Saint Andrew.
Incorrect. Kingston. St. Richard's social studies. What is the name of the theatre located near Parade in downtown Kingston?
Little Theatre.
Incorrect. The Ward Theatre. Greater Portmore music. What is the stage name for the Jamaican artist born Michelle Downer?
Itana.
Incorrect. The Angel music. St. Richard's. What is the birth name of the Jamaican artist with the stage name Chino?
Connie Francis.
Incorrect. Daniel McGregor. Greater Portmore mathematics. What is the value of x if 3x minus 12 equals 39?
17.
Correct. St. Richard's mathematics. What is the value of x if 4x minus 6 equals 42?
12.
Correct. Jamaican affairs. Greater Portmore. Who is the immediate past president of the Jamaican Bar Association?
Keaton.
Incorrect. John Massey. St. Richard's, Jamaican Affairs. Who is the chairman of Jamaica's General Legal Council?
Michael Phillips.
Incorrect. Denise Kitson. And that's the end of Section 1. The scores are St. Richard's Primary on 6 and Greater Portmore Primary on 3. Now, before we head to a quick break, here's a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. To be an effective student, Write down everything. This includes homework to be completed, test and exam dates, project deadlines, competition dates, school and family events. That's your friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Please stay with us. Season 20 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.